Hello friends, today we start a chapter 5 arithmetic progression for class 10. First we study the important things of this chapter. Okay. First we subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Okay. Here important things of this topic. First one, what is a sequence? What is a sequence? A sequence, some numbers arranged in the definite order. Some number arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule. According to a definite rule are said to be form a sequence. Main words है definite order and definite rule. Some number arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule are said to be a sequence. A symbol of sequence is an, otherwise Tn, Un, Vn and capital Tn. An, Tn, Un, Vn and capital Tn. So some examples of sequence are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here arranged in a definite order. What is a definite order in this sequence? Here the difference is 2 between two terms. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 2 is also 2, 8 minus 6 is also 2 and 10 minus 8 is also 2. And this sequence is divisible by 2, otherwise this sequence is multiple of 2. All are even numbers. So that means definite order according to a definite rule. Which one is definite rule? All sequence is divisible by 2, means even number. All even numbers is a definite order to a definite rules. In definite rules are said to be a sequence. That one is a sequence. Another 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. That sequence is also a definite rule in a definite order. Each numbers adding previous number adding by 10, that is a given numbers. 1 plus 10, that is equal to 11. 11 plus 10, that is equal to 21. 21 plus 10, that is equal to 31, and 31 plus 10, that is a 41. Therefore, adding 10 to a given number, that is a next number, adding 10. तो आगे के नंबर में given number adding 10, that is equal to next number. Okay, and next number adding to 10, that is another next number. Here second sequence 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. That all are multiples of 7, otherwise these numbers are divisible by 7. 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21. Therefore multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. Multiple of 7, that is a definite order in a definite rules. So all sequence are in a AP. All sequence, all numbers, that is what a sequence. Okay, second one, Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence. What is a Fibonacci sequence? Here the third term and all the terms. Third term. यहाँ पे हमें third term देखना है. Third term and all the terms succeeding it obtained by a sum of two terms. आगे की दो terms से हमें addition करना है. Of two terms preceding that terms. तो ये डेफिनेशन से पता नहीं चलेगा, हम एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. The terms of a Fibonacci sequence are as follows: 1 plus 1, first term plus second term, that is equal to third term. Okay, the third term and all the terms succeeding it obtained by the sum of two terms. First term plus second term, 1 plus 1, 2, that is equal to third term. Second term plus third term, that is equal to fourth term. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, and 8 plus 13 is equal to 21, 13 plus 21 that is 34, and 21 plus 34 that is equal to 55. So sum of two terms that is equal to third term, that is called a Fibonacci sequence. You remember this one. In that questions in your exams. Okay, तो ये questions exam के लिए बहुत ही important है. एग्जाम में आ सकता है which sequence is a Fibonacci sequence. तो 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8. एक कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस एंड तक होगी. अब सबसे मेन पार्ट है अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. व्हाट इज एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन? ध्यान रखिए. A sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. A sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. कोई भी दो टर्म का डिफरेंस क्या होना चाहिए? कांस्टेंट. एंड डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू गिवन टर्म्स माइनस प्रीवियस टर्म. डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू गिवन टर्म्स माइनस प्रीवियस टर्म. जो टर्म है उसके आगे के टर्म के साथ उसका डिफरेंस होगा. Is called a arithmetic progression. Is called an arithmetic progression. Okay. तो इतना याद रखना है. A sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms, difference between any two consecutive terms is called a arithmetic progression. And difference is equal to given term minus previous term. Here first term is equal to a. First term that is equal to small a. Second term that is equal to a2 is equal to a plus b. First term is a1. A1 is equal to small a. Second term is a2. A2 is equal to a plus b. Third term is equal to a3. That is equal to a plus 2b. And fourth term that is equal to a4. That is equal to a plus 3b. Fifth term is a5. That is equal to a plus 4d. Similarly, nth term is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. यहाँ पे fourth है तो 4 minus 1 third term. Fifth term है तो 5 minus 1 that is fourth term. Fourth that is minus 5. Fifth term that is 5 minus 1 into d, that is 4d. And here nth term that is equal to n minus 1 into d. 4 है. Fourth term that is 4 minus 1 into d. Fifth term that is equal to 5 minus 1 into d. Therefore nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is the formula for nth term. To find the nth term of the sequence, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And the common difference is d. D means second term minus first term. Consecutive two terms. Difference between consecutive two terms. Consecutive terms. So a2 minus a1 that is equal to d. a3 minus a2 that is equal to d. a4 minus a3 that is also d. And nth term that is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. ये तीनों फॉर्मूला सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. Some symbols and formula for a p. Some symbols that means first term is denoted by small a. Common difference d. D is equal. Difference is positive, negative or zero. Difference is positive, negative and zero for any real numbers. Difference is positive, negative and zero for any real number. An is equal to tn. Nth term that means an. Otherwise tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We already proved. Nth term is equal to an is equal to tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And n is belongs to an. N is a natural number. Here n is a natural number. Decimal fraction form नहीं हो सकता, negative भी नहीं हो सकता. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Small n belongs to n. And last and important result, difference. If two terms are given, to find the difference, tm d is equal to tn minus tn upon m minus n. tm और tn की जगह हम am और an भी लिख सकते हैं. am minus an upon m minus n, where m is not equal to n. And tm minus tn we multiply by m minus n multiply with d. So tm minus tn is equal to m minus n multiplied with d. Suppose fifth term is given and second term is given. To find the difference, to apply this formula. Here 17 term is given and 12 term is given. 17 term is given and 12 term is given. 17 term is equal to 70 and 12 term that is equal to 30. 17 term is 70, 12 term is equal to 30. So 70 minus 30 divided by 17 minus 12. 70 minus 30 that is equal to 40. 40 divided by 17 minus 12. 14 divided by 5. Therefore difference is equal to 8. We can find out easily. Therefore you remember this formula, Tm minus Tn is equal to m minus n into d. तो इतना हमें याद रखना. ओके, थैंक यू very much.